Kerrigan. We've neutralized the Protoss, but there's a wave of Zerg advancing on this position. We need immediate evac.
Belay that order. We're moving out.
What? You're not just gonna leave us!
All ships prepare to move away from Tarsonis on my mark.
Boys, how about that evac?
Damn you, Arcturus. Don't do this!
It's done. Helmsman, signal the fleet and take us out of orbit. Now!
Commander. Jim? What the hell's going on up there?
I've been cleaning up after you a lot lately.
Leave it alone, Matt.
Same dream?
I said, leave it alone.
What happened to Kerrigan wasn't your fault.
Which part? Where she got left behind? Or where she murdered 8 billion people?
Same old bullshit. You ain't gonna listen. Do you even see what you're becoming?
We are who we choose to be, Matt.
When you figure it out, let us know. We're waiting on you.
He's a bad, bad man, that Tychus. He got a lot to hide.
You think he's setting us up? His missions have been leading us straight to Kerrigan.
Maybe you and Kerrigan keep running into each other because you both want the same thing. But Tychus, there's something else he don't want you to know. I can't see what. Just watch your back. Always remember that he's a force of destruction, that one. A stone killer.
Kate Lockwell for UNN. The elusive Queen of Blades was spotted on Tirador recently. Dr. Emil Nerud, head of the renowned Mobius Foundation, had a run-in with the alien queen, but is currently unavailable for comment. In a statement, Dr. Nerud credited Raynor's raiders with keeping the Queen of Blades from achieving
Kate,
her...
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we have a breaking story. Apparently,
Go to commercial, please. Commercial.
What goes bump in the night? It might be your gifted child. Register your child with PsyOps today. It's the law. It's your duty. I've been thinking about Tirador. And you know, there's gotta be better ways to make a fast buck than diving headlong into an alien invasion.
If it gets too hairy for you, just try and think of the money.
I'm trying, old buddy. I'm trying real hard.
Good to see you, sir. All available missions are ready for your perusal on the star map.
Matt, hell, just... thanks, I guess.
Mobius have got themselves set up again since the Zerg chased them out of their old place. They say they've worked out where to find another artifact. Lovely little place called Typhon. There she is, planet Typhon. Don't look so bad.
Yep, sensors indicate... Wait, what the... The star's energy output just jumped 500%. I've never seen anything like it.
Slow down, Matt. What's it mean?
It means the star will go nova in a few hours. Meantime, the planet's getting bombarded by waves of fire.
Fire. Why does it always have to be fire?
Well, the good news is, we've got a significant cache of supplies planetside, so we shouldn't need to build supply depots.
Well, that's something. So where's our artifact?
Right there. Smack dab in the middle of all them Protoss.
Our mobile structures can relocate and keep us just ahead of the fire, but we'll need to salvage everything we can't take with us.
You ain't seriously going down there.
Come on, partner. We got hours till that sun explodes.
Well, let's grab that artifact and get out of here before your Queen of Blades shows up looking for it.
Hope you brought your sunscreen, cowboy.
Now ain't the time, Swan.
Relax, hotshot. I got something useful for you. Banshees. These babies can blow the snot out of ground forces. Got cloaking, too. Gotta love that.
Confirmed.
Whoa, careful of those Protoss cannons. They can detect Banshees even when they're cloaked.
Fine. I got this. Receiving.
Nice job. Let's get our base up and running and get that artifact.
Escape!
Holla back.
Been waiting on you. Who wants?
I got my ears on.
Warning. Fire wave approaching.
Can do.
This better be good.
Incoming transmission.
The doctor is in.
James, Raynor, we anticipated your arrival. Now you will pay for desecrating our holy relics.
Oh, hell. Not these Tal'Darim guys again. They seriously need to learn when to quit.
Can do. That's fine. Confirmed. The doctor is in. Call the ball. Fine. Roger that.
You gonna give me orders?
Mayday! Mayday! No problem. Weapons hot.
Who wants some? Gangway, coming through. Looking forward to
Receiving. I got this. Turbines to full. Engaging.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Loud and clear.
By the numbers, boy.
I got my ears on. Fine. Right.
Been waiting on
Confirmed.
this. Better be good. Why not? Want a piece of me, boy?
That's fine. Can do. Weapons hot. No problem. Done and done. Inbound. Roger that.
Could use some help here.
Engaging.
Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys.
I got my ears on. doctor is in. Done and done.
Mineral field depleted.
Weapons hot. And inbound.
Warning. Fire wave arrival is imminent. Base evacuation required.
Tal'Darim outpost to the east would make an excellent location to move our base to. We just need to clear them out and take possession. This Tal'Darim base is in a good spot for us. We just need to clear them out and take possession.
That's fine. I got this. Turbines to full.
Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some? This better be good.
Loud and clear. Engaging.
By the numbers, boys.
Mayday! Mayday! Holla back. Call the... Yeah? Fine. Right. Done and done. Weapons hot. Don't That's fine. Can do. Turbine fuel
Completed.
Receiving.
Boy.
Engaging.
This better be good.
Turbines to full. Can do.
Mineral field completed.
The doctor is in.
What's going on?
Engine screaming. Call the ball.
Armed and ready.
I got my ears on.
Who wants some?
The Tal'Darim base has been cleared. That should buy us a little elbow room.
Our warrior's sacrifice was not in vain. We gladly marched towards death to ensure your doom.
Gotcha.
By the numbers. Sure.
Add-on complete.
Loud and clear. Confirmed. Can do. No problem.
This better be good. In the rear. Been waiting on you.
I got my ears on. Right. Inbound. That's fine. Engaging. Done and done. Roger that.
Lay it on me. Armed and ready. What's going on? Yeah. We hear you. By this better be good.
Time's
You need some triage?
By the numbers, boys. Been waiting on you. Affirmative.
Mayday!
Go!
Fine.
You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? You gonna give me orders?
Yeah? Turbines to full.
This better be good. This better be good.
Call the ball.
Not enough energy.
By the numbers, boy.
Holla back. The doctor is in. The doctor is in. Holla back.
Armed and ready.
by the number.
Okay, the artifact's secure. Saddle up, people. We're out of here.
We will pursue you to the end of the universe, James Raynor. 1,000 deaths cannot atone for your wanton sacrilege.